here's a sample of fairy music you might not have heard before. It's another Bollan Bane here, and if you've got no fiddle to hand, it doesn't really matter. This tune was collected by the Gill brothers from the singing of, you'll never guess, one Cannel from Kirk village in 1896, when Cannel was about 80. And included by Deemster Gill is a note from one I.W. Lace. And this is what the note says. It's down at the bottom there, but I'll read it. Old Cannel, when he tells the story, finishes by catching up a working stick or the poker, runs this along his arm in imitation of playing the violin, dances and sings vigorously the above air and the syllables, damn, damn, the diddle, damn. So perhaps he forgot to wait for the poker to cool, I don't know. Here's the tune.